You're not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle to achieve their goals, despite their best efforts. But what's holding you back? Is it lack of motivation, limited resources, or something deeper? In this video, we'll explore the common obstacles that prevent people from achieving their goals and provide practical strategies for overcoming them. Let's break everything down into sections for better understanding. Section 1. The Goal-Setting Paradox. We've all been told that setting goals is the key to success. And it's true. Having clear goals can help you focus, stay motivated, and measure progress. But what if your goals are actually holding you back? Research shows that many people set goals that are unrealistic, vague, or even contradictory. For example, you might set a goal to lose weight without specifying how much weight you want to lose or by when. Or you might set a goal to start a business without defining what kind of business you want to start or what steps you need to take to get there. This can lead to feelings of frustration, anxiety, and burnout. When you're not clear about what you want to achieve, it's hard to make progress and stay motivated. Section 2. The Importance of Self-Awareness. So, how can you avoid the goal-setting paradox and achieve your goals? The first step is to develop self-awareness. Self-awareness is the ability to understand your own thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. When you're self-aware, you can recognize patterns and habits that may be holding you back. Self-awareness is essential for achieving your goals because it allows you to 1. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. 2. Recognize your motivations and values. 3. Understand your emotional triggers and patterns. 4. Develop a growth mindset and overcome obstacles. Section 3. Common obstacles to achieving goals. So, what are the common obstacles that prevent people from achieving their goals? Here are a few. 1. Lack of clarity. Unclear or unrealistic goals can make it impossible to achieve them. 2. Fear of failure. The fear of failure can hold you back from taking risks and pursuing your goals. 3. Procrastination. Putting off tasks and decisions can prevent you from making progress towards your goals. 4. Limited resources. Lack of time, money, or support can make it difficult to achieve your goals. 5. Negative self-talk. Critical inner voices can undermine your confidence and motivation. Section 4. The Power of Mindset. But here's the thing. Achieving your goals is not just about overcoming obstacles. It's also about cultivating the right mindset. Research shows that people with a growth mindset, those who believe that their abilities can be developed, are more likely to achieve their goals than those with a fixed mindset, those who believe that their abilities are fixed. So, how can you cultivate a growth mindset? Here are a few strategies. 1. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, even when you make mistakes. 2. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate your small wins, and don't be too hard on yourself when you encounter setbacks. 3. Seek out challenges. Take on new challenges and step outside your comfort zone. Section 5. Strategies for overcoming obstacles. So, how can you overcome the common obstacles that prevent people from achieving their goals? Here are a few strategies. 1. Break down big goals into smaller ones. Make your goals more manageable by breaking them down into smaller, achievable steps. 2. Create an accountability system. Share your goals with a friend or mentor and ask them to hold you accountable. 3. Use positive self-talk. Encourage yourself with positive affirmations and avoid critical inner voices. Seek out resources and support. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Section 6. The Power of Community. But here's the thing. Achieving your goals is not just about individual effort. It's also about community. Research shows that people who have a strong support network are more likely to achieve their goals than those who don't. So, how can you build a supportive community? Here are a few strategies. 1. Join a goal-achieving group. Connect with others who share your goals and aspirations. 2. Find a mentor. Seek out someone who has achieved success in your desired field. 3. Attend workshops and events. Learn from experts and connect with like-minded individuals. 4. Use online communities and forums. Join online groups and forums related to your goals and interests. Section 7. The importance of self-care. Achieving your goals requires hard work and dedication, but it's also important to take care of yourself along the way. Self-care is essential for maintaining your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Here are a few self-care strategies to help you achieve your goals. 1. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help your body and mind recharge. 2. Exercise regularly. Engage in physical activity that you enjoy, such as walking, running, or yoga. 3. Eat a healthy diet. Focus on consuming whole, nutrient-dense foods to fuel your body and mind. 4. Take breaks and practice relaxation techniques. Make time for activities that help you relax and reduce stress, such as meditation, deep breathing, or reading. Section 8. Overcoming procrastination and perfectionism. Procrastination and perfectionism are two common obstacles that can prevent you from achieving your goals. Here are a few strategies for overcoming these challenges. Break down big tasks into smaller ones. Make large tasks feel less overwhelming by breaking them down into smaller, manageable steps. 1. Set realistic deadlines and expectations. Be realistic about what you can accomplish in a certain amount of time. 2. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work in focused, 25-minute increments, followed by a 5-minute break. 3. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding when you make mistakes or encounter setbacks. Remember that achieving your goals requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. But it's also important to be kind to yourself and to celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, achieving your goals is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection, and it's about community, not individual effort. So, don't give up on your goals. Keep pushing forward, even when it's hard, and know that you're not alone. There are millions of people around the world who are working towards their goals, just like you. Achieving your goals isn't about perfection. It's about consistent progress. You have what it takes, but here's the secret. You're stronger with the right tools, mindset, and community by your side. If this video resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I share content like this every week to help you unlock your full potential. Join the journey. Your success story starts here. See you in the next video.